Occupied Kashmir has witnessed a staggering increase in the human rights violations by the Indian troops since the illegal revocation of Article 370 in 2019. According to a report by the Kashmir Media Service, at least 867 Kashmiris have been martyred, over 2,400 injured, and a staggering 23,415 arrested since the revocation of Article 370 in 2019 till date. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act, of a Kashmiri youth. A bench quashed the order passed by the District Magistrate Shopian and directed the authorities to release him from custody. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has vowed to continue the peaceful and democratic struggle for the restoration of the rights of the people of the occupied Kashmir. Addressing a rally in the Kulgam district, Umar Abdullah urged the public to reject anti-Kashmir forces. People's Democratic Party chief Mehbooba Mufti has criticized the BJP-led Indian government for its atrocities committed against the people of the occupied Kashmir since 2019. Addressing media in South Kashmir's Bijbehara, Mufti emphasized the necessity of expressing dissent against the Modi government actions since 5th August 2019. 7 people were injured and 20 others were injured after the minibus collided with a truck on the Delhi-Jammu National Highway on the Friday morning. The ill minibus was on its way to the Jammu, carrying over 30 members of a family going on a pilgrimage to the Katra Jammu. Head Constable of the Indian Border Security Force died due to a heart attack in the Baramulla district. BSF Head Constable died due to a heart attack during his election duty.